Filters on the ServiceJan platform. One of the key advantages is the ability to group filters together. This means you're not limited to applying filters one by one. You can combine multiple conditions to search, pull, and analyze exactly the data you need across the system. Now, let's go through what each filter does. Ticket number is the individual work order number, which you can search directly. Work order/purchase order or sales refers to your account or partner reference numbers, which are also searchable and will be copied in all invoices and communications. Invoice number allows you to search once a ticket has been invoiced. Customer can be searched by full or partial name. Customer contact allows searches by email or phone, full or partial. Address can also be searched partially or in full. Status lets you filter by the job's current stage. Content allows you to search keywords within the ticket. Account lets you search or select specific accounts. Technician allows you to search by the assigned worker. Create date is when the ticket was created. Contact date is when the customer was contacted. Service date lets you search by a specific date or a date range. Areas allows you to filter tickets within specific or multiple areas. Tags are custom labels you create for your workflow, such as parts, shop, or pickup, allowing you to search and organize tickets based on your operations. Type of service allows you to filter by service categories and lead sources, helping you track volume, run statistics, and analyze referrals, phone calls, and more. App reference code allows you to search by ServiceJan Marketplace app-generated reference. Scheduled date can be filtered by a specific date or range, helping you track scheduling activity and team performance. Created or contacted by lets you search by the user who handled the ticket. Invoice amount allows filtering by the job invoiced amount. Transaction Vault ID lets you search using stored payment references. Comments can also be searched by keywords. For private or third-party tickets, you can search by name, contact person, phone, or email. You can also filter for private tickets, deleted tickets, out-of-service area tickets, and tickets with additional processes, for example, involved other portals. Additional filters include overdue tickets, not printed tickets, and more. Under Select Action, you can select one or multiple tickets to print or mark, create invoices, view them on the map, build routes, or revert tickets back to unprinted. Thank you.